So before this video starts, I should mention I forgot to say that the microphone is having a little bit of issues. So if you guys hear any background noise, that's probably pretty much from the microphone. Sorry for that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video nevertheless. And back to the video.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Nov and welcome to the Christmas edition of a PC build. This is the $1,100 special edition or Christmas edition PC build. Now, it's 1,100-ish. It's literally just for Christmas. Like, it has the looks of Christmas feel to it, you know, like the style. And that means the specs of the device is kind of questionable, but not bad. Especially not the one I did before that one. But it's not like the best spec per price point PC. It just happens to have the feeling of Christmas. And not because I'm trying to make this video so I can somehow manage to make it into a Christmas special. Anyways, without wasting time, we're gonna get to this PC build. If you guys want to build this PC build or change it a bit, the description of the prices and the parts and all that stuff is in the description down below. You guys can check that out. If you guys don't want to build that, probably better. But either way, yeah. I also want to apologize for not making a video this week. Long story short, lots of nonsensical things, even though I'm in vacation. Or actually, yeah, one third of my vacation just went off. So that was the 1/3 that you guys missed. I'm sorry. My idea was to make 3 videos per week and while I'm in vacation, but you know, this is what I'm going to be doing. So sorry about that. So starting off with this Christmas build, we're starting off with a CPU, and the CPU is the Intel Core i7-12700KF. So yeah, it's an F series. That means there's no integrated graphics, but it's a 12-core processor. I believe 8 performance core, 4 efficiency cores. So in total of 12 cores, pretty good for the processor, at least pretty good, pretty decent, good amount of cores. Might be even better than the Ryzen 7. Depends on one person to another. Personally, I feel like it's a decent CPU for most usage. But again, no discrete graphics inside. So, sorry, no the integrated graphics inside. I read the thing in the box. What this means is you have to buy a graphics card. So there's that. Of course, this PC build has a graphics card in it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Plus, it's cheaper. So definitely recommend it for the price, the performance, to overall. It's a good processor overall, as long as you have a graphics card with it. Now, to cool off the processor, we went with the Thermite Frozen Notte, which is essentially an Italian word. It's an ARGB liquid cooler, 240mm. It's ARGB, which means you can change the colors to whatever you want, which means we can make it up to, I don't know, red or green if you want to. There wasn't a lot of green, and I'm not sure. So it's up to you guys if you want to make it red or green, or red and green together. This is a Christmas PC, so it's up to you. It cools the CPU. It does the job for the most part. It's still alright. Anyways, it does a job. It cools the CPU. Now for the motherboard, I went with the MSI Mag B660M bazooka. So reason 1, it's green. Reason 2, Christmas. Reason 3, I mean, it was green and it works with the CPU, so there's that. Now I would recommend if there was like the B760 or something like that. If there was a green one, couldn't find one. This is what we're going with. It supports the CPU. It has great VRMs. Overall, it's good. Heatsink. I mean, heatsink for the VRMs. Overall, it's it does the job. It supports everything really. The only complaint I have for this one, even though they could have just done that, but up to them, I guess, is the ports. Weird selection of ports. So, you know, looks typical except for being 2 Type A 10 gigabits instead of 1 Type C and 1 Type A 10 gigabit. Why not just make 1 Type C and 1 Type A? I don't get it. But you know what? It's up to them. You know, you still get 2 Type A 10 gigabits, so there's that. I would rather there was a Type C and Type A, but you know, at least there's a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. So, you know, you lose some, you win some. Overall, not a bad motherboard. It does a job. it works with the CPU, and overall, it's good. So we're keeping it. For the RAM, we went with the Team Group T Force Value Vulcan Z, not Value, Vulcan Z. 16 gigs of RAM with 3600 megahertz of transfer speed. It's DDR4, so there's that. It's red, and that's pretty much it. That's the reason why I chose it. Not only because of the speed being decent, but also because it's red. We're keeping it for Christmas. For the storage, we went with the Patriot Viper VPR400. It's an RGB 500 gigs storage. That was the only Gen 4 500 gigs, or rather Gen 4 SSD that was RGB on PC part picker. You probably could find a 1 terabyte out there. But because, you know, I'm using PC part picker anyways for my videos, we're going with it. I don't care. It's RGB. It's Gen 4. It's RGB. I mentioned that twice. Why am I mentioning it twice? Oh, because you can change it to any color you want. So you can keep it either red or green, really, up to you. By the way, I didn't mention white for a reason. You guys are going to see why. Oh, and for those who complain about extra storage, since 500 gigs is not enough, we're also putting in a Team Group GX2 1 terabyte SATA SSD. So it's a SATA SSD. It's for storing games. That's pretty much it. That's the reason why I'm keeping this. Just in case anyone complains about the 500 gigs. Enough storage, to be honest. Now, for the graphics card, we went with the MSI Ventus 2X OC. It's a white graphics card. It's an RTX 4060, which I did mention is the one of the dumbest graphics card out there, but, you know. And did I mention it's white? You're either watching this video and actually planning to do this just for the sake of Christmas, then cry later, or you actually genuinely know that this PC build is just nonsensical. Hopefully you do. I really hope you do realize that this is just no. But yeah, this is the graphics card for the Christmas PC build. Now for the power supply, I went with the EVGA Supernova 650 watts G5 gold power supply. Yes, I chose it because it's green. And the price point is not cheap, by the way. It's actually slightly expensive. That's the reason why this PC build is slightly more expensive than it should be. But it's green, you know. Well, the part where the fan is. It's green and Christmas. Plus the power supply is enough to power the PC anyway. So Christmas, let's go. And finally, for the case, we went with the Antec NX200M. It's a Micro ATX white PC build. Yeah, PC case. First, it's white. Second, if you put some RGB fans in it, it's actually going to look cool. Third, I forgot to mention, the radiator is only able to put them on the front side of the case. So, I didn't really think of this through, but we're going with it. You guys have to do that, though. My bad. But there you go. It's cheap, it's white, and the RGB stuff would actually look cool in it. I also want to apologize for making this PC build. Anyways, we're sticking with this case. So, yep. So the total of this PC build is going to cost around 1,117 or 18-ish. So a little bit over than 1,100, but something like that. You could go cheaper. You could go either something like this build, but cheaper. Definitely cheaper, like $50, $60, $70 cheaper. But for the sake of Christmas, this is the Christmas build. So, yeah, that is the price point for the Christmas PC build. So that is it for today's PC build. I know, what a weird PC build for Christmas. I mean, look, the PC build is actually not that bad. It just could be better. Could choose a couple of things differently. Especially the case, especially the motherboard. Especially a lot of things here. But overall, if you're just excited for Christmas and you want to build the most Christmas-like PC build, Christmas. So this is the Christmas PC build. I mean, heck, look at me. I literally I didn't shave. I look like I just needed to grow a little bit more. I'm gonna look like a skinny Santa. Ho ho, Christmas PC build. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this PC build, this video in general. Hope you guys enjoy this. We're almost at the end of the year. I'm still haven't done any end of the year end of the year video yet. But you know, there's this. But for my Christmas video, this is the Christmas video I'm making. So there's that. If you guys want to see more, comment down below, share this video, give a like, subscribe today for more content, share this video. Remember to subscribe because I'm this close of getting to 1,000 subscribers. I want to mention something, which was before ending the video, which was the stream. I did the stream. You guys might not be able to see it for two reasons. First, because one person said a word that he shouldn't have said it in the first place. But he apologized. But after what exactly? And the second would be the fact that no one watched it. No one came to watch it. No one cared about it. And to be honest, it was about a stupid event that no one cared anyways because of how bad it was, which was the Game Awards stuff. That was honestly the most disappointing and boring stuff ever to happen. So that's why I didn't keep it there. It's in my channel, but it's private. I, you know, made it private. And the giveaways of that video, I'm using it for myself. I'm sorry, but I realize it's not gonna last for long, and might as well just use it for myself. I could just buy a game and I could be streaming it instead of realizing how I have all that and it's just for nothing. Honestly, I'm disappointed overall, but kind of not surprised about the whole thing. But overall, that's the reason why the video is not there. So there's that. But in general, it was still a nice thing, even though I prepared for a whole year to do that. But it was a disappointment, anyways. In general, not because of people watching it, if there was any one watching in the first place, but also because the event was boring as hell, and overall was kind of disappointing. So it kind of went to nothing. So that's why it's not there. But whatever. And the giveaway, it's now mine. Sorry. I mean, what can I do? No one watched it. Couldn't give anything. So there's that. The giveaway was supposed to be for each 100 subscribers, or whenever I get like to 100, to 800, 900, 1,000, I'll be giving the giveaway to whoever is lucky enough. But that's not happening. So yeah, that's and I can't really show it because it's something that can only be used once. But it was a code to get funds to buy a game or something on your PlayStation. But no one watched it, so it's mine now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. Comment down below, share this video, give a like. And yeah, I might make a giveaway the moment I get to 1,000 subscribers, But other than that, no giveaways. Sorry. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.